Hey everyone, are you ready to dive headfirst into the future? I'm here today to talk about something that's not just a trend, but the next big revolution that's reshaping our world: artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, imagine waking up to a world where your coffee is already brewing just the way you like it, your daily schedule is optimized without you lifting a finger, and your car drives you to work while you catch up on your favorite series. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's becoming our reality faster than we can keep up. That's why I created this channel, AI. Here I'll be your guide through the maze of AI developments. From the basics of machine learning to the latest in AI ethics and groundbreaking innovations, I've got it all covered. Why follow along? Because the AI revolution is here, and it's transforming everything from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to our very homes. Each video on this channel will not only inform you but also equip you with the knowledge to understand and leverage AI in your daily life. So if you don't want to miss out on understanding the most significant technological shift of our century, hit that subscribe button. Let's embrace this change together and unlock the mysteries of AI. Trust me, you don't want to get left behind in this tech revolution. Tune in, stay curious, and let's decode the future together. See you in the next video.